This isn't a kit. This was built, not bought. This Foundry melt-out was built from scratch in 5 days by 2 people in my shop. I am Bob. Let me show you how it's done. I build some pretty crazy stuff. Over the past 30 years, I've built around 100 of these. What you're looking at is called a melt-out. This one is headed to a working steel foundry. A melt-out is used in an electric arc furnace where gray iron is manufactured for the steel making industry. Its job is to hold refractory, which takes the heat so the furnace does not fail. Over the next 5 days, we'll be walking you through the entire build, cutting, forming, fitting, and welding, showing how a melt-out is fabricated from start to finish with no shortcuts. If you want to see more builds like this, be sure to like and subscribe. We formed the big radiuses. That's 3/16 carbon steel. We formed everything there actually in the press brake, and we are going to proceed this piece here will be going right in this area here. Okay. And then we'll put a series of cross braces in here to hold it together. I got interested in working with metal at a young age and turned it into a lifelong career. Today, we build equipment for the fossil fuel industry, chemical plants, automotive, and other heavy industries. Our machine and fabrication shop, we're able to push metal to its limits, and on this channel I'll show you how it's done.